our channel. We are in the happy holiday spirit again. For this trip, we are boarding the Malaysia Airlines aircraft. We are now at KLIA 1. The plane is taking off. Did you know that staying connected in the air is so easy? Wi-Fi in the Malaysia Airlines plane is free. Let's start. First, put your phone in the airplane mode. Choose the movie Dune Part 2 best, but don't forget to bring your headphones. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Stay connected and enjoy your flight. You can watch my other guidelines on airport in the below description.